This is the diagrammatic view of clavicle. The clavicle has two ends and the shaft. Two ends. This is medial end and this is lateral end. How can we determine the medial end and lateral end? Because the medial end is large, broad and quadrilateral, and lateral end is flattened part. It's a flat structure. Lateral end is flat structure and medial end is broad, large and quadrilateral. Okay, so it is medial end, and the medial end is articulate with the manubrium of the sternum. So it is also called sternal end because sternum is joined with this part, the manubrium of the sternum, and this is called acromial end because it joined with the acromion process of scapula. Okay, then how can we know or determine the superior and the inferior view? Okay, this is superior structure and this is inferior structure. Look this very carefully. The inferior view, we see little bit of bumpy structure. This subclavian group or anything. I am not discuss the part, but you should know that the inferior view, the inferior side is not very smooth. Many groups or many bumpy diagram, many bumpy structure are present into inferior side, but in the contrast the superior view or superior structure is very smooth. So superior is very smooth and inferior is bumpy. Subclavian group or anything is present. Conoid, tubercle, anything. I am not going to discuss all this thing. I am only saying that superior view and the superior structure is very smooth, superior view, and the inferior end or inferior structure is bumpy, not very smooth. Okay, then come to this picture. This is medial end and this is lateral end. Lateral end is articulate with the acromions process of scapula, so it is called acromial end, and medial end articulates with the manubrium of sternum, so it is called a sternal end. Okay, the medial two-third is convex. This is superior view, and this is inferior. Okay, in the superior view, medial two-third is convex and lateral one-third is concave. Okay, this is the anterior part, so we should hold the clavicle bone so that the medial two-third will go to convex, will make convex part, and the lateral one-third will go or make concave part. This is concave part. This is medially convex part. Medially convex, laterally concave. Lateral one-third, little bit small part, lateral one-third is concave and medial two-third is convex. Okay, so this is medial end. Medial end means this is towards our body midline, so it is the right clavicle. Okay, very careful. This is right clavicle because just imagine here this is our manubrium of sternum. Okay, so this is this is the midline of body, so it is medial end, and this is the lateral. Okay, the opposite through the midline part, it is away, beyond, and this is towards. Okay, so it is the right clavicle, and this is also right clavicle, but it is the inferior view. It is superior view and inferior view. Okay, because it is not very smooth, it is a bumpy part, it's a groups are present. Okay, and superior is much more smoother than the inferior part. Medial end 2/3 is convex and lateral 1/3 is concave. So we should put the clavicle in the superior end so that the medial 2/3 will go to the convex end and lateral 1/3 go to the concave end. Okay, thank you.